Hey my friends, Al-Yassa, and today's video is how to make money fast and fun with direct mail. Okay, but do me a favor and do those three things, right? Notify, hit the notification button, subscribe, and leave a comment at the bottom. So let's answer today's question, which is, what is a new skill or habit that you're working on? Well, for me, it's a couple, but the one that comes to mind real quick is I'm working on getting my ideas out faster, right? I've created products before. I've had ideas and sat on them, and then somebody else will do them. Or I create a product and it just sits on my computer for 4 years before I decide to try to do something with it, put it out in the marketplace, and earn from it, right? So that's what I'm working on, getting my ideas out to the marketplace faster. Okay, so let's get into this video right now about how to make money fast and fun with direct profits.
I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what it's about and how you can start earning a full-time income from home by becoming a member of Passive Profits. I'm going to also show you some payment proof to show you what you are capable of earning with this system, depending on what level you come in at and the amount of money that you can make when you plug into our training. And not only that, you start sending out the postcards that the company is going to give you when you become a member. So we're going to go over the different levels of Passive Profit. It is a direct mail postcard program. And I got started right when they first opened the doors, and I was able to start earning a decent amount of income by marketing this opportunity online and offline. And what I love about it is it's newbie friendly, and it's something that anyone can do, even if you have no experience at all using the system. So with Passive Profits, it's a community of support. We do gather twice a week in our Facebook group, but not only that, online, to share information about the opportunity. And we also go over different trainings on how you can promote this opportunity, whether you want to promote it online or offline. We have weekly webinars and also weekly trainings. They have a done-for-you mailing option if you decide that you want this to be completely hands-off. That's also available for you. You don't have to talk to anyone or try to sell the opportunity. When you call into the 1-800 number, there is a success coach that can answer all of the questions and actually get people started. There's no monthly membership fees to get started. When you sign up, you will have a postcard that will have your information on it, and that's how you get paid. So everyone gets a unique ID number, and when a person calls in with that ID number, that is matched to your payment information, so we know how to pay you. And you can accept electronic payments or payments by mail. It's really up to you. Everyone is calling into the same 1-800 number. This is the 1-800 number. That's all that they need to basically get started, along with your ID number. The different levels that we have available is the featherweight, which is $125 to get started. There is a $25 admin fee. The lightweight, which is $300 with a $25 admin fee. You have the $500, the $1,000, the $2,000, and the $4,000 level, and you receive 50% payouts for each person that joins the opportunity using your ID number. When you get started, the company is going to send you leads along with stamps and a gift card, and you're going to get this by mail within 5 to 7 business days. You will need to order your postcards separately, but they're extremely affordable. For just $75, you can get 500 customized postcards that will look very similar to this, okay? And you'll get that in a box separately than your leads. And these, again, take about 5 to 7 business days to receive as well. At the higher levels, we do have some additional bonuses. When you call in, you will get that information on the different bonuses that we have when you decide to get started today, okay? They have a free vacation stay at the higher levels, but basically at the higher levels, you get everything that you need in order to be successful with this business. And that's basically, how it starts. You get your stamps, your leads, your postcards. You're going to put the stamp in the lead on the postcard and put that in the mail. The more consistent you are, the more money you'll make. Not only that, we do have other ways that we offer for you to send out these postcards or promote this opportunity. Okay, so if you don't want to use your picture, I just want to let people know you don't have to. You can use Ontario and his wife. The photo will go right there. Some people are camera shy. They're not ready to put their face out there yet, and you don't have to. 3 simple steps to get started, which makes it very newbie friendly. You choose the income level that you want. You connect to a success coach by calling the 1-800 number. And then once you get your information in the mail, you are going to mail the postcards. The more that you mail the postcards, the more success you will have. As you promote the opportunity different ways, you will start to build momentum within your business, and you'll start to see a ton of people sign up to your opportunity. Again, of course, no one can guarantee results. Results is based off of your efforts and your consistency within this business. Each person is very different and unique on how they promote or how much time that they have in order to promote their business opportunity. So if we go into the dashboard here, I'm going to show you, basically what's possible when you're using the system. This is one of the ways that I accept payments, along with by mail, or people can use Google Pay, they can use Zelle, they can use Cash App, Venmo, whatever way you would like to get paid is what you can request, how you can request to get paid. It's really up to you. Here is just basically, I can break down, let's just do the last 30 days. So if we want to know, let's see here, how much I've been paid in just 30 days using the system. And this, again, is just one of the platforms that I use to get more information. You can, in a Stripe account, is easy to use, it's easy to set up, and you can just send somebody an invoice link and they can make a payment directly through Stripe. So right here, as you can see, my gross volume is $9,631, and that's in the last month using this system. And again, here is my net volume, which is $9,224, just doing direct mail, mainly, and promoting the opportunity to people and allowing people to get plugged into our webinars, giving them the information that they need in order to get started, okay? And again, I always tell people, when you decide to join this opportunity, come in with what you can afford, but also how much you want to make. So as an example, if you want to make $1,000 additional per month, you may want to start right here at the welterweight, because you're not going to need that many people. In order to make $1,000 a month, you would need 4 people to join, and that's extremely doable. You're coming at the middleweight, and let's just say you need $2,000 additional per month. That would be 4 people you would need to join within a month in order to earn that kind of money, and that's extremely doable with the system. So you want to position yourself based off of how much you want to make, but also what you can afford. But just know at the lower levels, it's just going to take a longer time to hit your goals. If you want to hit the goals faster, you want to come in at the middleweight or higher, one of these levels here, so that it doesn't take a ton of people in order for you to start getting the results that you're looking for, okay? We do have webinars every single Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that information will be in the description below. If you would like to be a part of the webinars, you can join our webinars. They're for everyone that's in the US and Canada that wants to take a look at this opportunity, can do so by joining the live webinars. And that's when the owner comes on, he gives information about just what he went through and the success that he's having, and just knowing that it didn't start out that way, but as he became more consistent and started finding opportunities that work, he started to earn a consistent amount of money. He'll share his story with you, and not only that, answer any questions that you may have. So thanks so much for viewing this video. I hope you have a safe and great day. Stay inspired and stay blessed. I'll see you another day.
All right, so there you have it, my friends. So here's what you need to do next, all right? Click the link below or wherever it is on this page to get started with me, and let's take this to the next level. Take care. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.